Welcome to Module A. This is a short presentation to orient you to the activities you will be doing this week. Module A is 1 week of lessons that includes content, but is not limited to Future Advanced, Unit 9, Lessons 1 through 3. That means you'll be using pages 161 to 167 of the textbook. You can use the online flipbook or the hard copy, the paper copy of the textbook. The unit is called Health in the Balance, and it's about maintaining your health and well-being. Well-being can include physical and mental health. Module 8 is about preventive health. And I want you to take a minute to think about what that means. What is preventive health? So, did you guess correctly? Preventive health could be defined as ways of avoiding diseases, illness, or injury before they happen. Of course, it's related to the word prevent. A quick spelling and pronunciation note, preventive can also be spelled and pronounced as preventative. I've got more details here about that. All you need to know is that preventive and preventative are basically the same word. They have the same meaning, it's just a different spelling and pronunciation that's used by different speakers of English. Goals for this week include identifying tips for promoting well-being, identifying the benefits of preventive health, using the passive voice, that's our grammar goal for this week, using academic vocabulary about health and well-being in speaking and listening, and finally, including evidence when speaking about a healthcare tip. That's going to be part of your final project for this week. You will need the Future Advanced book, My English Lab, Schoology, Zoom, Flipgrid, Kahoot, and Remind. Note that you don't need an account for Kahoot, and you don't need to download the app. That is just a suggestion that might make it easier for you to participate in that activity. Also note that using a laptop is recommended for the online tools, but a cell phone app may be used, especially where I've indicated it here. So you will do 3 lessons in your Future Advanced textbook this week. Lesson 1 is a speaking and listening lesson that asks you to identify tips for promoting well-being. Lesson 2 is a grammar lesson that will teach you about the passive voice. And lesson 3 is a skills lesson that asks you to identify the benefits of preventive health care. In addition to that work, you will also complete a Spark 3000 reading and an activity based on the article called Get Some Sleep. It's about a college professor who challenged his students to get more sleep. And as always, when you read Spark 3000, you need to complete steps 1, the before reading poll, step 2, reading the article and understanding it, and step 3, the activity, which is 8 quiz questions about the article. We will have 3 Zoom sessions this week, and that will be our routine for every week this semester, 3 Zoom sessions per week. The purpose of these Zoom sessions is to have community building conversations where we get to know each other and support each other and have some fun, of course. Academic discussions, and a lot of these will be based around the lessons you're studying in the future textbook. And we'll have time for questions and answers and other interactions, both as a whole class and in small group breakout rooms. At the end of the week, you will be asked to create a presentation about a health tip, and you will share this presentation as a Flipgrid video. Note that you can use audio only on Flipgrid if that's more comfortable to you. And on day 5, you will be assigned an additional Spark article for more practice. So look for that in the 5th lesson this week, day 5. By the end of the week, you should have completed 3 Zoom calls, 3 Future Advanced lessons, 2 Spark articles, and 1 Flipgrid video. There's also a checklist available for you at the bottom of this page as well as linked in Schoology and here in this presentation. This is just a list of the things that you need to complete this week, and that can help you to organize your work. So, good luck and have fun this week. Don't hesitate to reach out to your teacher with questions, comments, or concerns. You can contact us via Remind, Schoology message, or email. And we are here for you to support you. So we look forward to seeing you soon on our next Zoom call.